me show you again this map. Right now we're in this tiny half circle.
Ito ka.
So see, this platform, it overlooks the sea already. So that's reclaimed.
Wait lang.
So that's the reason why the Spaniards wanted this so bad for the trade. They can easily bring ships right here, import, export, and they can screen all the ships from there to get to them. So they have this together. And everyone, that's the reason why you know it is because of colonial,
Yeah, I saw it too. I think one of them was a graffiti as well. Yeah. It's bigger than I thought. Oh, okay, let's. There's so much stuff. Yeah, let's take a break. I think I wait for the break.
Hindi pwede makausap.
Sige,